Hi guys, so today I'm just going to be showing you my new fidget spinner and my slime. So this is what it's in. As you can see, there's slime there and the fidget spinner's in that box. But because this looks like a cheap box, it's because my slime used to be in a different box and my fidget spinner used to be in this box and my slime used to be in a different one and my earrings was in here. And they're just from Primark, so yeah. So we'll show you the slime first. This is the container that it's in. Okay, let me just open that. Sorry about my feet in the way. This smells like really, 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 really bad. I don't know, it's because it's made what it's made in, but hopefully it's quiet enough so you can hear the sound. I'll try. Sounds like we're getting a takeaway. This is fluffy slime. Right. That's all. Put it back in the container and close. So this is my fidget spinner now. People think fidget spinners are really poo, but if you see this, you will want a fidget spinner. I don't know why there's a little tag there saying love to give. But I'm not giving my fidget spinner away, that's all I know. Right, so I've opened it. You can have the first look. Woo, fell out. But anyways, this is my fidget spinner. It is really, really nice. Like, really nice. It's a flower with stars on the leaves. And it belongs in this box, like that. Woo. Ah. There we go. And it has a £2 tag there. This fidget spinner wants £2. It was £10, but that's for my earrings that I'm wearing now. I'll show you in the mirror. Got these ones, and then these ones in this here. So that is all I have for you guys today. I really want to get rid of that. You probably think it's £2. It's really not. So that's all I have for you guys today. God, it's getting on my nerves. There we go. That's all I have for you guys today. Anyways.